This is the RSA180 Fixed LE. This is the top edge. It's a straight edge running perpendicular to the fence. Positioned on the top edge is this ruler. It starts from 0 at the fence and can be used for quickly marking and measuring lengths. These are scribe notches. A pen or a pencil can be inserted into these notches for quickly scribing lines parallel to the edge of the workpiece. These notches are positioned for popular dimensions in roof construction, such as board widths and thicknesses. 1/3 rafter notches depict the maximum depth of birds' mouths in common rafter dimensions. This sharp but not too sharp pivot point allows the blade to pivot over the workpiece for accurately laying out angles. This protractor scale on the hypotenuse edge with markings in degrees. With the fence sitting against the edge of the workpiece, pivot the blade so the angle on the scale you want sits on the edge of the workpiece. Mark the desired angle using the top edge. These are your common and hip valley rafter scales. This scale displays the roof pitch, which provides the angle required for cutting plumb cuts on common rafters. Pivot the blade over the timber so the mark for the roof pitch you are working on sits parallel and above the edge of the timber. Mark plumb angles using the top edge. This is the fixed fence. It's bolted to the edge of the blade using stainless fasteners. It provides a solid edge for scribing down timber, a pivot point and a spivet level. This handy spivet level is housed inside the fence with windows on all 4 sides for ease of use. This level can be used for quickly lining up level and plumb lines, as well as finding roof pitch. These little numbers are the rafter length per metre of run. Use these to quickly and easily work out the length of rafters by multiplying the run in metres by the corresponding figure provided on your TrigJig Rafter Square. This line can be used to mark 90-degree perpendicular marks from an angled line, or use an alternative to check for square when the fence can't be laid flat against the workpiece.